Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can create a credit note on invoice. So on TranZact, we do have a functionality to create credit note, but it comes after creating the invoice. So let us go to our browse modules, click on this, click on sales and purchase, and these are the list of all my sales and purchase created. Now suppose there is one of my invoice on which I need to create a credit note. So this is the invoice which I have created. I will click on this particular invoice now. Once the invoice will be opened up, on your right hand side and very top, you will see other actions. Click on other action. Here you will get a list of credit, all the options, credit note, debit note, barcode number. So here I need to go ahead and create a credit note. Click on this. Now, the credit note document got opened up in your screen. I will just go ahead and mention the payment date. So it will be of today. Go below how much quantity is being returned. So one quantity have been returned. So after creating the credit note, your stock will not get adjusted. Your stock return will not get updated. For that, we do have a different feature, that is the manual adjustment. Credit note, what credit note will do? Credit note will set off the amount from your invoice. So suppose the entire amount invoice is created. So from that, as per the credit note amount, the amount will get adjusted. Now go below, click on save and send. Click on save and send, and then after the credit note will get created. So please check, this is how the credit note will look like. You can go ahead and share this particular credit note through WhatsApp, email as well. I hope this video will help you in order to go ahead and create a credit note. Have a good day.